I dreamt of this moment for so long, and now it's here. It feels kind of like a dream at this point.
I am actually trying to be totally open-minded and see what comes, visually, mentally, physically.
I can only say to everyone, if you have the possibility to do this, do it. It will be so special.
We actually have a great crew. We've come together incredibly nicely, and I'm looking forward to all of it.
5, 3, 2, 1, release, release, release.
I can see spaceport.
So unbelievable.
This is absolutely insane.
Oh my God.
I had no idea, no matter how many pictures, photos, movies, there's no comparison to the actual colors that you're seeing of the atmosphere and the Earth, and it's so clear.